Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a must-have Monday, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my must-have Weight Watcher essentials. So I've been on Weight Watchers since June 3rd. That's when I started tracking, and I've lost about 6 pounds so far. So I'm about 10 weeks postpartum. So I started tracking when Tanner was about a week old, just so I can get back into the routine of it. I am breastfeeding, so I get a lot more points. I'm still trying to work out how many points is the perfect number for me. But yeah, I've lost 6 pounds since June the 6th, and I am completely happy with that. I am totally fine with the slow decline of my weight because it took me 9 months to put on all my baby weight. So I have the assumption that it's going to take me probably 9 months to get it all off, and even then some. So I'm just going to share with you guys some of the things that have really helped me with Weight Watchers Freestyle. So first, if you don't know what Weight Watchers is, it is I don't want to call it a diet, but it is a diet. It is a weight loss plan where each food has a numerical value of points. So in a day, I get 28 points because I get 5 extra points because I'm breastfeeding, but it's not exclusive. So I get 5 extra points because I need more points to obviously produce more milk. So you don't produce milk if you don't eat enough. So I get 28 points in the day. So for example, a cup of this almond milk is 2 points. So each item that I eat has a numerical value. So my breakfast this morning is eggs. It's 0 points because eggs and egg whites are free. So I've been learning what I should load up on and what I shouldn't load up on, what I need to save my points for, what I don't need to save my points for. So it's just basically a numerical based plan. You could do 2 versions. You can do the online version, or you can actually physically go to Weight Watcher meetings where you can get support from others, and you have a teacher who's teaching like a lesson every single week, teaching you something new about the plan. So if you feel like you need that extra motivation, then definitely go to the in-person meeting plan, or you could just do online. I do online because I don't have the time to go to a meeting, and I also have the opinion that if you are wanting to do any type of weight loss, you need to be 100% in. So you can't just be kind of in, you need to be all in. So if you're someone who needs to go to a meeting because you need to be accountable, honestly, I feel like you're just gonna fail at whatever diet you're on or whatever weight loss plan you're on, because you need to be 100% in, 100% committed for it to work. If you're at all interested in signing up for Weight Watchers, I'll have a link below if you guys want to sign up. I think you get the first month free, I think. So go ahead and check the link out if you're interested in signing up. I highly, highly recommend it. I've been doing Weight Watchers since I was 17 and I'm 31 now. So I've been a Weight Watcher member for years. Over a decade, so that's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my must-haves, things I swear by, things that I cannot live without in my daily life while on my Weight Watcher journey. So I'm just gonna hop into it. So the first thing is my Apple Watch. So what I love about my Apple Watch is it tracks all of my activity points. So with Weight Watchers, when you exercise and even just daily activity points, you know, cleaning your house or walking around the neighborhood, walking at the grocery store, you're gonna get activity points. And these activity points turn into more food points. So the more active you are, the more points you earn. So I run about 2 miles a day, and that earns me an additional 5 fitness points. So I know that I have an additional 5 points on the days that I run. So if I want to have an extra treat, or if I want to have more of one serving of something, I can. So what I love about the Apple Watch is it syncs with my Weight Watcher app. So I don't have to plug it in every single time I'm doing some sort of fitness activity to Weight Watchers. It syncs with my app and it automatically calculates my activity points, which is awesome. So it's one less thing for me to do. And it also works on Fitbit. So if you're someone who has a Fitbit, you can also do Fitbit, but I have an Apple Watch and it works fantastic for me. So highly recommend getting some sort of fitness tracker while on Weight Watchers. So now I'm going to talk about some 0 point foods that I have to have every single day. So coffee is a big part of my life. I have to have coffee, and something that helps with my coffee is these sugar-free syrups. So I have salted caramel. I've gone through 2 bottles of these. So I'll add 2 tablespoons to my coffee in the morning time. So I have to have some sort of sweetener in my coffee, but I'm not willing to pay the points for the sweetener. So having that sugar-free syrup is fantastic. And the line makes so many of them. You can get them at your grocery store. It's a Torani flavoring syrup. So I think even some coffee shops use this. I don't think Starbucks does because I think they have their own line. But a lot of coffee houses use that exact brand. You can also get them cheaper at Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Next thing that I use on a daily basis is the Hershey's sugar-free syrup. So this is 0 points. So I've actually calculated all of the nutrition facts, and I've calculated up to 6 tablespoons of this, and it's still 0 points. So you can have yourself a lot of sugar-free Hershey's syrup for 0 points. So you could do this in your coffee to make a sugar-free mocha. I have a video if you guys want to check that video out. I have a recipe of a sugar-free mocha in the description box. Something else you could do, you could pair this with fruit. So say you like chocolate with your strawberries or your apples or bananas. This is 0 points, and all fruits are 0 points. So you could have a 0 point dessert just using this sugar-free syrup. This is kind of expensive. It's like $5.29 a bottle, but hey, it's worth it to me. And the next thing is egg whites. I love egg whites, and this is going to help your cholesterol. So eggs are 0 points, but you have to remember the egg yolks they have cholesterol in them. So if you're eating too many egg whites, you're gonna have some cholesterol issues. If you eat too many egg yolks on a daily basis, you're gonna have some issues. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys because that's what my channel is based on, just being honest with you guys, and I'll tell you anything. There was a point of time when I was eating 8 eggs in one day. Aside from the fact I was pumping my body full of cholesterol, I had terrible stomach gas. It was painful, and it was really just, it smelled really bad. And it's because of the sulfur content that are in eggs. So I Googled it, I looked it up. So switch to doing half and half. Do half egg whites, half egg yolks. So that's what I do. I also switched my milk. So I don't use regular milk anymore. I use the Silk Almond unsweetened almond milk. So this you can do a cup and 1/4 for 2 points. If you were to do a cup of regular milk, you're looking at about 6 to 8 points depending on what type of milk you use. So I'll use this in my smoothies because I like my smoothies to be really liquidy, and that's just what works the best, and I really can't tell a difference. I put that in my oatmeal, so I love it so much. Something else that I love that I count points for every single night are these Enlighten bars. You guys, these are 3 points. You can have 1 ice cream bar every single day, and it's only 3 points. They have so many varieties. So this is the frozen hot chocolate. This one was not my favorite. My favorite was the mint chocolate chip that I've tried so far. But I highly suggest you pick those up if you're someone who likes a sweet treat every single day. And there's also a coupon on their website. So I'll link their website below. Go and print yourself out a coupon. I think it's like $1 off 2. They're expensive, but if you can get $1 off 2, at least you're saving just a little bit. Now, I do enjoy fruit juice, but I don't like the points and the sugar that are in fruit juice. So I have found this Minute Maid Light Juice. So they make this in pink lemonade. They have a blueberry watermelon. They have a fruit punch. Basically, you can get a 8-ounce glass of this for 1 point. So it is my swap for fruit juices. So I highly suggest you check this out in your grocery aisle. You could also put this in your blender, and you can add some ice, and then you could have your own like fruit slushy. Love it. So these next 2 items that I'm mentioning, I found a Target cartwheel on them about a month ago. It was like a 40% cartwheel, and I loaded up, and I am so glad I did. So the first thing is, it's by the Flat Out brand. So this is the Fold It Everything like sandwich guy. Oh, all of the everything seeds just fell out. Okay, Gina, let's zip the container so that doesn't happen. Okay, so these are basically little fold out breads, and these are 3 points per bread. So that's great because things on Weight Watchers, the more carb content that are in the item, the higher points they are. So for this being only 3 points, this is great. I make a sandwich out of it. I'll do an egg sandwich or a turkey sandwich, or I'll pair it with the next item that I'm gonna share with you in a minute. But this is great to use as a sandwich bread. And then the next thing that I've been using is the flat out flatbread. So it's basically like a wheat tortilla, and this has flaxseed in it, I think. And this is 2 points. You can do one of these for 2 points. So what I've made out of this, I've made a Mexican pizza. I've made a regular pizza. I've made sandwich wraps. I've made tacos using the actual flat out bread. I've made quesadillas. I've made so many things using this bread, and I will never go back to regular tortillas. I'll never go back to regular sandwich bread. So the flat out is, I'm all about that. And the next thing I have been eating is the Morningstar Farms veggie burgers. So this is the spicy black bean. So I've been eating this, and I'll pair it with the flat out sandwich bread, and I'll put some cheese on top, and it is a great lunch. So the patties, you can do 5 of them for 3 points. So that's a lot of food for 3 points. Getting 2 of the burgers for 3 points, it's great. So that's all the food items that I'm gonna share with you guys that I can't live without. Every single week, this stuff needs to be in my fridge, or I'm gonna set myself up to fail. Also, water is very important. Water intake on any type of weight loss program that you're on, you need to hydrate yourself. So I have came up with a water tracking system that has helped really well for me. I'm also breastfeeding, so I also need to drink a ton of water. So I literally drink about a gallon of water a day. So I have this set up on my fridge. So it is a magnet and this little magnet pouch. So these go on my fridge, and I use my dry erase markers, and I just make a tally every single time I've had a glass of water. So at the end of the day, I need to have 8 of those tallies to know that I have finished my water requirement. So I drink 8 16-ounce glasses of water a day. So it comes out to about 96 ounces a day, something like that. And I got everything here at the Dollar Tree. So I paid $3 for my water tracking system. And then I put another magnet on my dishwasher so people know if the dishes are clean or dirty. So definitely need some sort of water tracking system so you don't forget. And then the next thing I'm gonna talk about is a food-free treat. So a lot of times people will reward themselves with like a dessert or a food that they've really been craving. Yeah, that's great to go ahead and do that, but you can't do that every single day of the week. You can't say, oh, I did really well in Weight Watchers today, I'm gonna end my night with like a Big Mac. No, that's not gonna work. So what I do is I find products that I really enjoy. So what I really enjoy is face masks. So I will do face masks twice a week. So what I'll do is I'll do one on Thursday because that's the end of my running week, and then I'll do one on Sunday night to kind of motivate myself and say, all right, it's a new week, like let's get this going. So the first one I do is the charcoal face mask, and I actually got this guy from Bath & Body Works. This is my favorite charcoal mask. I don't know if it's still available on their website. If it is, I will definitely leave it below. So I will go ahead and do this, and it helps with my acne, and you know, it gets kind of crazy with running and sweating so much, so I need something to like detox my skin. And then the next one I have been loving. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I put this on last night, and I woke up this morning and my face literally is just glowing. I love it so much. My face looks hydrated. It just looks great. So when I wake up in the morning time, like my face is bright, it's glowing, and it just has this like natural radiance from it. So it's not that my face is shiny, it's glowing, you guys. I'm glowing. But I love this so much, and it smells amazing. It literally smells like a watermelon. Literally smells like a watermelon Jolly Ranchers. So I use face masks as a non-food reward and a non-like money reward. Like I don't want to get in the habit of, oh, I lost a pound, I'm gonna go spend $20, or oh, I lost a pound, let's go to a buffet. Like I don't want to do that because it's going to keep me farther from my ultimate end goal. So using face masks twice a week is something I look forward to. I'll do this in the bath. I'll put this on before I go to bed. I just love it. So this is everything I'm going to share with you guys for Must-Have Monday. And the last thing I'm going to mention, something that has been really helpful in my weight loss journey, something that has been a must-have for me with Weight Watchers, is finding a group of people that can relate to you. So connecting with other people who also have the same goal. So surrounding yourself with people that are maybe on a weight loss journey themselves, working out. Like, you need people to motivate you as well. You need people to help you steer away from temptations. You need people to help motivate you. You need to be careful when you're going out with friends. Maybe they're not on a weight loss plan. It might be a good idea to maybe not go to dinner with them because the temptation might be too much for you to handle. And you might want to, you know, let people in your family know, like, hey, you might want to let people in your family know about your weight loss journey and say, hey, I'm trying to lose weight. Please don't tempt me. Like, I've had to do that with my mom so many times. She said, oh, do you want me to make you a shake? Do you want me to get you this? Do you want me to get you pizza? Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, Mom, no, I'm trying to lose weight. Don't tempt me. So I've had to say, don't buy me McDonald's. Don't bring me donuts. I love you, but don't bring the donuts because I will eat all of them. So you need to be vocal with the people that you see on a daily basis. You need to be vocal with them about your goals. They don't have to join the diet with you, but they also need to respect your journey that you're going on and let them know, like, hey, don't set me up to fail here. Like, help motivate me to keep going. So that is also very important too. Be very vocal. I did that with my husband, and he usually brings me chocolates and treats as a surprise, but the other day, he walked in with a huge watermelon, and that was perfect. And he walked in with a watermelon on National Watermelon Day. And he's like, I got this for you because I thought of you because you like watermelon and because I know you can eat the whole thing and it's 0 points. And I was like, yes, I love you. Thank you. So this is everything I have to share with you guys for Must Have Monday. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what other topics you want me to be talking about on Must Have Monday. And again, if you want to sign up for Weight Watchers, it's in the description box below. I highly recommend the plan. DM me anytime on Instagram. Email me. I'll be happy to help you with any questions you may have. And little birdie told me that Jeff from Jeff Saves with Coupons is starting Weight Watchers too. So let's all motivate him to stick to the plan and get his Weight Watcher on. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.